Let's read with Miss Iman.
I might. Tell me, Layla, about your life. When were you born? On what day? I was born on a Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. on 29th of May. And what will you do when you grow up? For example, when you leave school? I may go backpacking. I may travel the world. I think that will be cool. What will you do when you come back? Will you go to university? I might study English. I might study maths. I might get a good degree. What will you do when you finish that? What job do you think you'll do? I could find a job as a teacher, or I could be an astronaut too. Do you think that you will start a business? Do you think you will be successful as well? I may start a business. It may happen to me. At the moment, I just can't tell. When you finish work, when you retire, what will you do for fun? I might sit by the sea and look back at my life and laugh at the things that I've done.